बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलामुअलैकुम डियर स्टूडेंट्स क्लास 9th बायोलॉजी। आज हम चैप्टर नंबर 5 सेल साइकिल में सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ मियोसिस के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ मियोसिस एक लॉन्ग क्वेश्चन के तौर पर इम्तहान के अंदर सेलेक्ट किया जा सकता है। जो शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन और MCQs इस टॉपिक के अंदर मौजूद हैं वो हम डिस्कस करते हैं। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जो क्वेश्चन है दैट इज व्हाई मियोसिस इज नेसेसरी। मियोसिस क्यों ज़रूरी है? मियोसिस इसलिए ज़रूरी है दो बातों की वजह से। इट मेंटेन्स द नंबर ऑफ क्रोमोसोम्स इन द नेक्स्ट जनरेशन बट आल्सो टू प्रोड्यूस वेरिएशंस इन नेक्स्ट जनरेशन। तो ये दो लिहाज से मियोसिस सिग्निफिकेंट है। What happened in human beings during reproduction? रिप्रोडक्शन के दौरान या सेक्सुअल रिप्रोडक्शन के दौरान ह्यूमन के अंदर क्या प्रोसेस होता है? इन ह्यूमन डिप्लॉयड गैमीट मदर सेल्स और germ line cells undergo meiosis to produce haploid gametes. When male and female gametes unite to form diploid zygote, which undergo repeated mitosis and develops into the new diploid human. Some MCQs on this page are: the first one is about the description of meiosis first time. Meiosis was described in 1890 by German biologist August Weismann. Second one is many haploid fungi and protozoan produce haploid gametes through mitosis. What is alternation of generation in plants? The cells of diploid sporophyte generation undergo meiosis to produce haploid spores. These spores grow into haploid gametophyte generation, which produces haploid gametes through mitosis. Gametes combine to form diploid zygote. That zygote undergo repeated mitosis to become diploid sporophyte. The next one is production of variation in next generation. Why variations are present in gametes? The chromosome pairs of each parent undergo crossing over during meiosis, so daughter cells, that is gametes, have genetic variations. Some MCQs from this page may be: diploid sporophyte generation undergo meiosis. Gametes combine to form a diploid zygote. Gametes fuse to form zygote. Meiosis allows a species to bring variations in the next generation. The next topic is errors in meiosis. The first question on this page is disjunction and the other one is non-disjunction. During anaphase 1, chromosomes separate and go to opposite poles, while during anaphase 2 sister chromosomes separate. It is called disjunction. Sometimes the separation is not normal and it is called non-disjunction. What is the result of non-disjunction? The result is production of gametes having more or less than the normal number of chromosomes. Some MCQs may be: the first one is about the definition of disjunction, other one from non-disjunction, and there are 47 or 45 chromosomes after the abnormal chromosome number in human beings. The next topic is comparison between mitosis and meiosis. The first question is how meiosis and mitosis are similar. Meiosis 2 is similar to mitosis, while meiosis 1 makes an actual difference between these two cell divisions. This question is usually asked as a long question in examination. And the answer of long question, compare mitosis and meiosis, is present on this page. You will have to write all the points which are discussed on the two sides of this figure. The next topic is apoptosis and necrosis. What is meant by apoptosis and necrosis, or what are apoptosis and necrosis in general? Apoptosis and necrosis are two phenomena of cell death. What is apoptosis? Apoptosis is one of the main types of programmed cell death. That is a definition of apoptosis that can be asked as a short question. What happens during apoptosis? During apoptosis, cells shrink and becomes round due to the breakdown of cytoskeleton by enzymes. What are blebs? During apoptosis, cell membrane makes irregular bursts known as blebs. What are apoptotic bodies? Blebs break off from the cells and are now called apoptotic bodies. The MCQs may be from the definition of apoptosis, the other one from blebs, and the third one from apoptotic bodies. What is the advantage of apoptosis? Apoptosis removes the damaged cell, preventing it from getting further nutrients or to prevent the spread of infections. Also, apoptosis has advantage during development. What is meant by necrosis? Necrosis is the accidental death of cells and living tissues. What are the causes of necrosis? There are many causes of necrosis, including injury, infection, cancer, etc. When does necrosis occur? Necrosis occurs when the cell is given hypoxic or less oxygen environment. Some MCQs may be: apoptosis occur when cell is damaged or undergo stress condition. During formation of fingers, the cells between them undergo apoptosis and the digits separate. Necrosis is less sequential than apoptosis. The next question is, what is the disadvantage of necrosis? Cells that die by necrosis may also release harmful chemicals that damage other cells. What is the connection between spider bite and necrosis? Spider bite causes necrosis in some areas. What may be the other cause of necrosis? Necrosis may be due to the lack of proper care to wound site. So dear students, today we have discussed the last topics of chapter number 5, cell cycle. Next time we shall start chapter number 6 with reference to the discussion of long questions, short questions and MCQs. Till then, Allah Hafiz.